ganda for you?
Wow, okay. First and foremost, gusto ko nga mag-hello sa inyong lahat. And it's such a lovely day. You know, seeing everybody na nagtitipon-tipon ngayon, celebrating beauty and confidence, diba?
That is right.
So, to answer your question, Ate Dayan, para sa akin yung simpleng ganda, para sa akin kasi, yung totoong ganda kasi ay nanggagaling sa loob. Beauty from within, yes. Kumbaga, you're not just after the looks, pero yung kung ano yung nalalaman ng puso mo, yung kabutihan ng puso mo, at yun yung pinapasa mo sa iba. That's my simpleng ganda. That's how you radiate beauty to others. So it's really not about the looks, the makeup, on how you style your clothes and everything. It's not about, you know, how you look outside. It's all about the values and principles in life, and of course, on how you also radiate that beauty to others. Yun po ang pinaka-importante. And of course, here with Simple G, Simpleng Ganda, this is really more of our objective is to empower each and every one of you and to radiate that beauty from within. Kaya nga, di ba kanina, mga confidence beauties, I ask you to go around, di ba, compliment each other, because ganito tayo dito, we are one big family, and we want to radiate that positivity and that Simpleng Ganda energy to each and every one of you. Next question, Julie. What do you think is the difference between beautiful and confidently beautiful?
Para sa akin, yung pagiging maganda or being beautiful, siguro mas nag-focus kasi siya sa panglabas na anyo eh. Habang yung pagiging confidently beautiful, syempre kapag you're confident